teach you how to prepare full mashed. First things first, what you're going to do is to sort your full. After when you're done sorting, you're going to put it in a basin. So here I'm trying to shock it like after when I've sorted. So the reason as to why I'm shocking it overnight, so that in the morning when I'm going to cook it or boil it will be so easy for me to work. So it will not take a lot of time, and then it will not even consume a lot of charcoal or whatever kind of means that you're going to use for cooking it, whether gas or your charcoal. So the first thing, yeah, when you've soaked it overnight, at least it will soften a bit. Then the following day when you're going to put it on fire, it's going to take lesser time for it to cook. So if this is your first time coming across my videos, you're most welcome. This is me, Vicky. I will appreciate when you stick up to the end of this video so that you watch and learn how to cook some full mashed. So there are many ways how you can prepare this at the end. There are some people who prefer like to fry some oil, or you put some oil on fire to heat a bit, and then you pour on it, and then you cut some onions or cucumber, and then you eat like that with bread. And then here in this video I'm going to show for you how I prepare it. So now that I've soaked it overnight, here now I've put my water to boil. After when the water has boiled, the next thing I'm going to do is to put it on what? To put it on fire to boil. So that when it's ready, the next thing that I'm going to do is to fry it. So I will appreciate when you like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that any vital recipe that I will be dropping on my channel, or any cooking video that I'll drop on my channel, you won't miss out. So you have to also tell me where you're watching from, how do you prepare this food in your place, or you can tell me how do you prefer it done in my way. Here, after when the food is ready, the next thing I'm going to do is to put my onions on fire, and then cook it a bit. So I don't want to have the onions to turn brown, but let it be in its natural way, whereby I just cook it for some seconds. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to add my tomatoes, and then I make it to become soft. So when the tomato is soft, the next thing I will do is to add my full into the mixture of the tomatoes and onions. So if you like this, if you like more cooking recipes, you can drop a comment and tell me, so the next time I'll thank the people that have commented, and then I'll also drop for you. So you can also tell me what do you want me to prepare next, so that in my next video I'll also consider that and prepare what you want to learn. So here now I've already prepared my onions and tomatoes, then I have poured my full mashed to it. So the next thing I'm going to do is to smash them. For me, the reason as why I'm smashing them is for it to become so. So when I've smashed them, I'll add my salt, then keep on smashing for it to be soft. After when it's done, the next thing I'm going to do is to pour it in a what? The next thing, when you're done smashing it, the next thing is that it's ready for you to eat. So like I've said earlier, some people can prefer like pouring on like the cooking oil in it and chopping onions and then just eat like that. But for me, I prefer cooking it this way. So thank you for watching. I prefer you when you subscribe to the channel so that any recipe that is dropped you won't miss out. Now that I've smashed it here, you can see it has changed from the way it was before. The next thing I'm going to do is to serve so that people can enjoy it. That means, so this is the simplest. Now the next, so here you can eat it with bread. So now that my bread is there, so that means my lunch is ready for me to serve for people to. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and drop what recipe or what do you want me to prepare next for you. And thanks to each and everyone that is always returning to watch my videos. And to the new viewers, I appreciate you taking your time to watch my videos. Thank you. Bye bye. See you next time.